back to my YouTube channel again. I remain your guessy concept. I'm glad to have you back into this series. This is a series 3 of my headband making, and today we're making something glamorous, okay, beautiful, and a statement headband. Okay, so the name of the headband is called scrunchy headband, or you can call it ruffle headband. Okay, so what I have here with me on the table is the first piece of it, which is the ruffle part of it. So I have a 50 inches by length, 50 inches by 7.5, okay, by width is 7.5, and I have here with me, this is a 20 inches length by 3.5 inches on fold. And here with me I have the elastic casing, which is a 40 inches by length and a 3 inches on fold by width. And this is my elastic. I'll be using this elastic as well. This is a 6 inches, okay. So the next thing we are going to do now is I will set this aside, then I will open up this, I'll place it on fold like this, okay, because we are going to slant the edge just to give it that effect, okay, just to give that effect of a headband, okay. So I folded it. What I did is that I placed it on fold like this, and you take the edge, you align it to other edge like this, okay. So from this open end like this, then I will go up by 8 inches, or let's make it 7. Let's make it 7 inches. From this down part, I'll go up by 7 inches. Okay, just to slanting this part, okay. So from this side, this open fold, I'll go in by 1 inch, okay. Then I'll connect it to this. I'll just slant that part off, okay. So make sure they both align together very well. Then cut it. That's it. So the name of my fabric now is taffeta. Sorry, I didn't mention that earlier on. So what I will do now, I will set it aside. Then this is the headband, 20 inches by 7.5. I've added a gum stain to it. Lightweight gum stain is optional. If you can add it, you might not add it to it, okay. So I will take it to my sewing machine, I'll fold it like this, okay. Then I'll run it 1/2 inch from this edge down to the other edge, okay. Then same thing on the elastic casing. Then on this part as well, the ruffle part, I will run 1/2 inch to the end, okay. So my beautiful people, I've stitched it together. So the next thing to do now is to turn it inside out, okay. Turn it like so. Turn it my safety pin, and I will repeat the same on the other piece as well. So I've turned it inside out. The next thing we're going to do now is to give it a good press, and make sure the seam line is in the middle. Okay, so guys, after pressing it with iron, this is how it's going to look. Okay, this is the headband and this is the ruffle piece. This is the elastic casing. So the next thing I will do now is that I will take the headband, I will take it, the seam line facing down, then I will pass it into the ruffle piece like this. I'll pass it with my safety pin. Okay, just pass it. Make sure the seam line is facing down. Okay, make sure the seam line is facing down. I'll pass it. So after passing the band, the main headband, into the ruffle piece, this is how it's going to look. Okay, this is how it's going to look. Remember, this is the seam line side must be under. Okay, so this is the main headband piece inside. Okay, I will secure this with pin, then secure the other side as well. So the next thing we are going to do now is to place my elastic inside the elastic casing. Okay, I'll pass it through like so. And make sure you secure the starting edge this side with pin while you find your way out of the casing. Okay, so when you are done, you secure it as well with pin. Then you stitch it half an inch or 1/4. Yeah, 1/4. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do now, after stitching the elastic case, so we align it. Remember, this is the seam line, this is the right side, so right side facing each other. This is the seam line here. You take it, you wrap it around the down part. Okay, you wrap it around the ruffle piece like this. I will take it again. This is the right side, this is the right side of the ruffle piece. So you fold this edge in, then you wrap this upper piece, the elastic casing, you wrap it around. Okay, this is how it's going to be. You wrap it around. Okay, overlap it, then you sew half an inch. You repeat same thing on the other side. So I've done one part, and this is how it's going to look after doing it. So I'll cut off this hard parts, this chunky part. I'll trim it off like this. Then I will now take the right side again, same position. I will align it to the other edge. Okay, you fold this part in, then you align the elastic casing. You place it on it like this. You place it like this while this is unfold. So you place it, you fold it, you wrapped it around it, wrapped it around the ruffle piece. Okay, then you turn it like this. This is how it's going to look you wrapped it. Wrapped it properly, then stitch it half an inch. Okay, so I've stitched the other edge. This is how it's going to look. I'll cut this part off as well. Then you flip it inside. This is the finished look. As you can see, it's looking beautiful. Even I don't want to add in any pairs to this. I think if I add it, it's going to look more beautiful, like so. Maybe I should add some. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it.